Good morning, everyone. Today we here for an industrial webinar based on white cement based value added products that has been delivered by Pawan Vai Sethi sir. Pawan Vai Sethi sir. I will introduce to Kiran Booth ma'am for the introduction speech. Please proceed, ma'am. Kiran ma'am.
Yes. Respected Engineer Pawan Sethi sir, Journal Head JK Cement, faculty members of the department, and dear students, good morning to all. I, Professor Kiran Booth, welcomes you on behalf of the Department of Civil Engineering, JIT Jodhpur. First of all, congratulations to the coordinators, Professor Sumit, Professor Rajat, and Professor Rahul Bhati for conducting such a wonderful webinar whose title is on white cement based
मैम वॉइस
value
क्लियर नहीं आ
added
रहा।
products. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, continue.
Yeah. Congratulations to the coordinators. And this webinar, I hope that will be helpful to all the second year, third year students of the department. And hope this webinar will inculcate the knowledge of the students regarding cement, especially white cement and its products. Best wishes for the webinar. I hand over this mic to Engineer Pawan for his presentation. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all are doing good at your home and keeping safe. The presentation today is about white cement-based value-added products. Am I audible to everyone, Ankit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Great.
Yes, sir.
So we'll proceed now. Now, a brief history about JK Cement Limited. It's basically a UP-based company, and we have most of our plants based at Rajasthan only. So we'll just start with the JK Cement Limited introduction. 95 years ago, white cement manufacturing was first introduced in the world market in the year 1926. In India, JK White Cement Works was the first company to introduce the white cement manufacturing with expert and modern dry process technology in the year 1984 with technical collaboration from MS FLSmidth, Denmark, which is a world-renowned company in cement world. The white color of the white cement is due to the complexes formed with the oxides of iron, chromium, titanium, and manganese present in cement. Basically, in gray cement, these oxides are more in quantity, and in white cement, these oxides are in a controlled, very less quantity. That is why the color is white. We have done it yet again. The JK, our two brands, the JK Cement White Max and JK Cement Volmax, have been accredited with the selected super brands of India for consecutive second year now.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. Presentation is not moving, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, now start.
Ankit, okay now?
Yes, sir. Now Gotan plant is visible.
So JK White Cement plant, along with our putty manufacturing unit, our grey plant, we have located this plant at Gotan district, Nagaur, Rajasthan, because of the good quality of limestone that is required for the manufacturing of the white cement, and this is considered one of the best available limestone in India. That is why only two companies near around Gotan manufacture this white cement in India. One is the JK and another is our competitor. So these limestone quality is found to be the best in India, and that is why these are the plants are situated only in Rajasthan, in and around Nagaur. Now, as you can see in the picture, we have a main 6 products into the kitty that we are known for. The number one cement that is for which JK is known as the JK White Max. Earlier it was known as JK White Cement in the center.
Sir, it's still not. Sir, with
not
same
visible.
problem. Yeah, yes, sir. Now it's visible.
I'll restart actually. It happens. Okay, Ankit?
Not visible, sir.
So,
Visible, sir.
okay. Okay.
Visible.
Yeah, so these are the 6 products that we are known for. In the center, you can see the White Max, center top, JK White Cement. Earlier, it was known as JK White Cement. Last year, we rebranded it to JK White Max. On the top left, you can see the JK Cement Wall Putty, popularly known as JK Wall Max. This is not only a very popular putty in India, it is one of the #1 wall putty in the world as of today in terms of sale that we proudly say it. On the top left, top right side, you can see the JK Cement Shield Max. It is a premium universal waterproof putty. Apart from being a normal putty, it has a waterproofing element to it that we'll discuss later on. On the lower right side, we'll start JK Primex. It is a white cement based primer. It is applied on the, say, cementatious surfaces like the plaster. Now, next is the JK Gypsomax, which is a high-grade gypsum plaster. We commonly know it as POP or plaster of Paris. And another product that we have is JK Tilemax. It is a range of tile adhesives and grouts. These are basically used for sticking the tiles on the floors and the dado wall finish actually. So apart from this, we have apart from these 6 products, we have 2-3 more products that we'll discuss on very briefly after this. Now earlier JK White Cement was known as JK White Cement with the Camel brand on it. Now we are known as JK Cement White Max, Ab Sab Kuch Max. This was rebranded last year so as to have a unique identity of all the products of the various value-added products of JK Cement family. JK White Cement. Now the whiteness of this cement is measured through gloss reflectance meter. Minimum requirement as per IS 8042 should be minimum 70%. JK White Cement whiteness is between 90 to 93%. Now this is the reflectometer that you can see on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can see the sample rings. These rings are made out of the white cement and these are placed in the reflectometer and compared with the standard rings. And hence, this is how the whiteness or the degree of whiteness of any white cement is calculated in India. We'll just discuss briefly about the physical analysis of white Portland cement. First is the serial number, second is the characteristic, third is the requirement as per IS 8042. Fourth is the JK White Cement test result as of today, the method of test. First is the fineness, which is measured in meter square per kg. As per IS code, it should be minimum 225 meter square per kg. We at JK maintain a fineness range of 325 to 350 meter square per kg. Second is the degree of whiteness. Now these are highlighted in yellow because these are the 2 unique features, point number 2 and point number 5, that are different from the OPC 53 grade cement. Otherwise, the features and the parameters of OPC 53 and white cement are same as per the IS guideline. So degree of whiteness, for grey cement there is no such criteria. For white cement it should be minimum 70%. We at JK Cement maintain a range of 85 to 95. Normally we have a whiteness above 90%. Initial setting time as per IS code is minimum 30 minutes and 600 minutes maximum. JK Cement has a initial setting time of 80 to 90 minutes and a final setting time of 120 to 130 minutes. Now the soundness by Leach Atelier and autoclave test, 10 mm maximum and 0.8% maximum is the range. We maintain a leach atelier expansion of 1 to 2 mm maximum, and a soundness by autoclave range is 0.05 to 0.15%. Now, compressive strength at 3 days, 7 days, and 28 days calculated as per IS code, but we have a 1 day strength also, very high 1 day strength we maintain, though it is not mentioned in the IS code. JK white cement has a 1 day strength range of 28 to 31 megapascal. 3 day strength should be 16 MPa minimum as per IS 8042. We maintain a strength of 37 to 40. 7 day strength should be 22 MPa minimum. We maintain a strength of 44 to 50. And at 28 days, the strength should be 33 MPa minimum. We have a strength of 54 to 60 MPa, and in most of the cases above 60 MPa only, but for general purpose, we maintain that it is just about 60 MPa. Now, to determine the freshness of any cement, the retention by sieve is normally suggested at site. So, for example, if you are a site engineer and a truckload of cement comes to your site, how will you decide the cement is fresh or not? First is by visualizing the batch number written on the bags. If the batch number is not clearly visible sometime, the accurate method to test it by yourself is by sieving it through a standard sieve. Now, in white cement, we take a sieve of 63 microns IS sieve. In case of gray cement, we use a 90 micron IS sieve. So, though IS code doesn't have any say on this freshness or sieving test, but we have an internal standard at JK Cement that if you take a 1 kg cement and sieve it on 63 micron IS sieve, the white cement, maximum 1% should be retained. 1000 ग्राम में से 10 ग्राम से ऊपर उसमें रिटेन नहीं रहना चाहिए. This is the internal standard that we have JK Cement that we take care of. Now, the white cement applications, where white cement is used. Basically, as per IS code, white cement is a decorative material. It has to be used in the various decorative and the repair works in our buildings and various applications. So earlier you must have come across this type of flooring. We used to call it the mosaic dana flooring, where white cement was used and grains were used. And this flooring used to be very beautiful earlier on days. Now this has been replaced by vitrified and other tiles. Apart from this, white cement is also used in the manufacture of wall putty, tile adhesives, and various other applications that we are going to see forward. A world-class technology to ensure consistent quality in every stage. Best raw material, as already discussed, at Gotan, a chemically pure high-grade limestone is available, and this is the only reason why both the cement plant manufacturing white cement in India are based in Rajasthan only. The quality control, which involves technical expertise of FLSmidth and Company Denmark, the world leader in cement industries. Now, excellent whiteness, more than 92%, and no coloring impurities. The range is normally 90 to 93%, and we ensure that our whiteness is always above 92%, and no coloring impurities. This coloring impurity is due to the oxides. Now, management system certified by various ISO grade certifications like ISO 9001, 14001, 18001, and SA 8000. One line quality control equipment by QCX and Fuzzy Logic system. Economy to paint industries due to higher fineness and opacity. Now, what putty does that POP could not do? A putty ensures a very good smooth surface to the wall, which increases the durability of the wall, and hence at the same time it not only enhances the life of the walls and the plaster, at the same time it reduces the paint consumption by about 20 to 25%. And this economy to the paint industry due to higher fineness and the opacity. Now, the compressive strength is more than 70 MPa. We maintain above 60 MPa, but in the general range is above 70 MPa in most of the cases throughout the year. I will begin with the first value-added product made with JK White Cement, and we popularly known it as JK Wallmax. Now, JK Wall Putty, named Wallmax, is the #1 wall putty in the world. We are proudly saying it today because in terms of sale, we are the #1 wall putty in the world. JK Wallmax is a white cement-based fine powder which provides an ideal base for concrete or cement plastered walls and ceilings. It gives you the most beautiful walls. It is damp resistant and provides a smooth finish for further application of all kinds of paints. So this is what it does to the walls. Now, why wall putty? Now, as you can see in the picture earlier, also in my presentation last year, I've shown you the description why wall putty. The dampness or the damp patches that you might have seen, especially during the monsoon season. The picture below, you can see the green and black patches, the green and blue due to this algae and fungi. On the right side, lower picture, you can see the, say, powdery form coming out. Chalking we popularly known as, and blistering we known as. And last picture on the top right, you can see the combination of blue and grey algae along with the dampness, along with the chalking and blistering. You can see these problems you might have encountered most of the time in your nearby. या तो आपको इस तरह के पैचेस या प्रॉब्लम आपके घर में दिखेंगे, आसपास किसी पड़ोस की किसी बिल्डिंग में जरूर दिखेंगे. And this is due to the dampness present in the wall or due to the improper application of the paints or the substrate. The role of JK Wallmax comes in here to smoothen the surface first, to fill the fine pores on the wall surface. This is the second function. Also, it provides protective base to our expensive paints and hereby reduces the paint consumption by about 20 to 25%, and so saves the paint cost also. More coverage for subsequent costly paints. Protects the wall overall because it has say some added polymers called as XLL polymer that we call as extra long life polymers that enhances, that also provides some amount of waterproofing quality, and being a white cement based product, it protects the wall also, and no need of water curing. Now, before application of this wall putty, you need to pre-wet the wall, but after the application, you do not require to cure it again because it has self-curing compound. Now, the features of JK Wallmax. It gives a smooth fine. It is a smooth fine powder which enhances the coverage. The whiteness of JK Wallmax wall putty is between 90 to 94%. It has extra long life polymers. It has good tensile adhesion with the surface. This is very much important because it enhances, this property enhances the life of the paint. Damp resistance because water retentivity is more than 98%. In case of normal, if you apply a normal POP or plaster of Paris, it does not have a damp resistance because it is not a cement based product. Now here, Wallmax being a cement based product and also due to the addition of polymers, it enhances the water retentivity, and which is in the range of about 98%. It provides a durable base coat which gives additional strength to the mortar plaster. Now, the important points here, the water demand. For example, while mixing, how much water you need to add? It is between 33 to 36%. 1 kg wall putty अगर आपने ली तो आपको 330 से 360 ग्राम पानी इसमें डालना है. If more water is added, chalking may occur. Chalking is like when you rub your hand against the wall after application of putty, a powder form will come out in the hand. This should not occur. So this is a deficiency which may occur if you add more water than the above range. Thickness of first coat is about 1 to 1.5 mm, and the second coat thickness is about 1 mm. The coverage per kg is between 12.5 to 15 square feet depending upon the surface and the thickness. Now, if you have a very smooth surface of the plastered wall, you will need a lesser thickness and the coverage will be more. If you have a slightly rough and uneven wall, the thickness of a wall putty naturally increases and you will get a slightly lesser coverage. So whatever the case be, the range is between 12.5 to 15 square feet per kg in 2 coats. Pre-wetting is good, but in summer or exposed area, it is a must, otherwise chalking may occur. Especially any cement-based product that you apply on the wall, on the surface, on the floor, you must pre-wet the surface because it provides a good adhesion of the cement-based product with the wall or the floor. If you do not apply a pre-wet, it may not form a very good bond later on. But pre-wetting is compulsory in cases of the summer season and in the exposed area, outer walls. Now the technical specification of Wallmax. First is the degree of whiteness. There is no IS code as of today, but JK maintains its own specification and standards. We maintain a whiteness of above 92%. The fineness of wall putty is measured as the residue on 212 micron ISC, which is less than 0.5%. If you find it more, believe it that it is a old or a say poorer quality material. It is a old batch material that has been supplied to you. You can straight away reject such a material. Tensile adhesion. Now tensile adhesion is bonding or the tensile strength that is occurring between the putty and the wall surface on which it is applied is a very most important property that a wall putty is required to have. Tensile adhesion at 14 days. It is measured in Newton per mm square or MPa. It is higher than 1 MPa. Compressive strength at 28 days measured in Newton per mm square. It is between 3 to 7.5 MPa megapascal. The test results of JK wall putty are mentioned in the last table. We maintain a whiteness above 92%. That is 92.4 is the current result. The fineness is 0.056 as a residue on the 212 micron seam. The tensile adhesion is about 1.18 megapascal, and compressive strength at 28 days is 6 MPa. Now the next product, which is a superior product or a pro version of the Wallmax, is the JK Cement Shieldmax. It is a universal waterproof putty. Now, JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty is a modified version of white cement based premium quality putty with active silicon tetrahydride molecule based additives, which upon application provide waterproofing along with other unique properties to the applied surface. It not only provides the basic properties of the Wallmax, but also has waterproofing as well as some other properties that we'll discuss. Now, this is a ready to use special powder putty which can be used externally or internally on both new as well as old walls. The restriction of the normal putty was that it cannot be used on the old walls. But in this case, it can be used for new walls as well as old walls, on the exterior surface also, on the exterior outer plaster walls also, and on the interior plastered walls also. This is why it is called a universal waterproof putty. It can be applied on all type of concrete walls, mortar substrate, RCC, Maiwan, POP or any such surface to provide water repellence and efflorescence resistance to the applied and cured surface. Further, it provides a smooth aesthetic finish and extends the life of top coat of the paints. JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty consists of active SiH4, that is silicon tetrahydride molecule based additives in the powder form. Other special additives are added to provide enhanced coverage, anti-efflorescence, butter-like finish and flexibility to the JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty. Now, other advantage is the anti-efflorescence, which is again a problem in many cases. Like the bricks, if you see in many cases where the bricks have some salt deposits in them, they try to precipitate these salts in the form of white powder outside it. When you apply the bricks आपने लगा दी, wall बना ली, उसमें जब curing होती है, उसमें पानी डाला जाता है, तो curing के बाद में उसमें white powder आपको निकला हुआ दिखता होगा. This is the efflorescence in bricks. And if not proper care is not taken and paint is applied on these bricks after the plaster, these efflorescence start coming out continuously whenever they come in contact with the moisture, and they take out the paint. पूरा का पूरा paint आपका निकल जाता है, blistering जगह जगह पे wall पे आपको दिखेगी, and this is the cause of the efflorescence present in the bricks. So to some extent, JK Shieldmax also provides a solution for the efflorescence also. Water is used as a solvent to maintain the viscosity of JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty. Now the application, JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty can be applied on the below surface. It can be applied on the plastered walls and the AAC blocks or the lightweight blocks that we use nowadays, especially in cities like Bombay, Jaipur and all. It can be applied on concrete surface, on plaster board, bricks and hollow blocks, and asbestos or POP surfaces. It helps to resist the threat faced by moisture, dampness, and efflorescence. Now, surface preparation is one of the most important parameter here. Now, surface preparation is the most important stage of application process. The performance of any putty is highly dependable on the surface preparation. In general, a surface must be removal of, first is the surface preparation, surface cleaning, removal of surface contaminants including salt deposits, fungus and mold by wire brushing, remove grease or oil by scrubbing with detergent or caustic soda, wash well with water and allow it to dry. Sanding or scraping, abrade the surface using sand or emery paper, clean off all loose particle, dust, etc. Now the general requirement, any oily material like shuttering oil should be removed before application. Pre-wet the wall surface. Pre-wet करना मतलब पहले गीला करना और उसके बाद में we should apply the putty to the wall. It gives a good bonding. Any holes or cracks should be repaired prior to the application. If you find any holes or cracks are there, just take some white cement and fill the cracks and then apply the wall putty. It will give a better finish. Otherwise the cracks, the lining of the crack may appear on the surface. Preparation of JK Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty Mix. Mix water in powder in the ratio of 0.38/4 to 1 by weight. Now, for example, you are taking 1 kg of Shieldmax, you have to take about 380 to 400 gram of water and not vice versa. For every 1 kg, you need to add about 400 gram of water. Mixing tool must be clean. Always make the material which can be used within 60 to 90 minutes. 1.5 pot life is advisable. It is advised that only उतना ही मटेरियल में पानी मिला है जितना 1 से 1.5 घंटे में आपके पेंटर लगा सके. Process, mix thoroughly to make a uniform, smooth, lump-free paste. If you have a mechanical mixer, that will be great because Shieldmax has a waterproof quality, so it will not get mixed with water very early on, and it will require a greater agitation. Hence, a mechanical mixer will be helpful here. Any material not used for more than 90 minutes will solidify. Mix should not have any containment whatsoever, because if it has any containment like any say color form, any oxides, these oxides will appear on the wall on which it is applied, and again the paint will be harmed. Methodology of application. The thoroughly mixed mass is to be applied on the pre-wet wall surface from bottom to top in the upward direction uniformly with the help of a putty blade or similar tool, as you can see in the picture. Apply the first coat on prepared surface, and the putty applied surface should be left to dry for 4 to 6 hours based on the humidity and ambient temperature. The optimum thickness of each coat should be between 0.5 to 1 mm, and the thickness of the total coats should not exceed the range of 1.5 to 2 mm. The total thickness of 2 coats should not be more than 2 mm. Complete coating of surface by applying second coat of Shieldmax Universal Waterproof Putty. Leave the wall to dry for 2 to 3 days before the paint application. Clean wall with a dry cotton cloth to remove dust, dirt, etc. And the smooth wall is ready for a top coat of the premium paint. Sanding of dried surface before paint application is not mandatory, yet if required, a very fine waterproof emery paper may be used to provide extra smoothness to the prepared surface. Now the coverage that we get in JK Shieldmax is higher than the Wallmax. In Wallmax, we used to get a range of 12.5 to 5 square feet per kg in 2 coats. In JK Shieldmax, we get a range of about 20 to 22 square feet per kg in 2 coats. So almost the coverage is increased by many-fold. About 50% higher coverage we get in the Shieldmax because of the smooth butter-like application. Benefits of JK Shieldmax: it is damp resistant. JK Shieldmax contains active SiH4 molecules which react with silica particles to form multiple layers of tightly knitted microwebs, resulting in water repellency, thus protecting the wall from dampness. Second important point is the anti-efflorescence. Salt requires water as a medium to travel. The German technology used to prepare JK Shieldmax hinders the water movement, and because of micro web formation within the applied coat of putty, the salt leaching does not occur in JK Shieldmax coated walls. Now, let me be very clear. It takes care of the dampness and efflorescence to some extent. This is just a 1.5 2 mm thickness पतला लेयर है ये पुट्टी का. अगर आपके वॉल्स में डैम्पनेस की प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा है, एफ्लोरेसेंस की प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा है, it is very say advisable to go for a damp proof course earlier on, or a treatment, waterproofing treatment earlier on before application of the wall putty and the paint. Otherwise अगर dampness की बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी और आप उस पे ये Shieldmax लगाएंगे तो it will not serve your purpose. कि कुछ हद तक अप टू टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में हम बोलते हैं कि अगर आपकी डैम्पनेस 2 बार तक है तो इट विल रेजिस्ट द डैम्पनेस अप टू 2 बार लेवल ओनली, नॉट अबाउट दैट. यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा डैम्पनेस है, यू शुड गो फॉर द waterproofing treatment and then apply the wall putty. Other key benefits are longer paint life and suitable for all walls. Important tips: the condition. Don't start the job in bad weather condition, especially it should not be started during the rainy seasons. Ensure proper ventilation of the painting area. Don't use improper tools to begin with. Solvent usage, that is the water. Don't use contaminated water to dilute or mix in JK Shieldmax. The water used should be a potable one, drinkable one. Try to refrain from using hard water to dilute the JK Shieldmax. It should be a potable water, drinkable water. The surface, always check the surface properly before painting. It should be a clean surface without any oils or dirts. Now the features and important points. JK Shieldmax is moisture resistant and more damp resistant. It is efflorescent resistant. It is a multi-purpose application or the universal application, as it can be applied on any type of wall. Long paint life with active HIS for molecules added. What are the important points here? The water demand is between 35 to 38% or up to 48% maximum. If more water is added, chalking may occur. The coverage we get in JK Shieldmax is in between 20 to 22 square feet per kg, depending upon the surface and thickness. It's waterproof putty and not a waterproofing solution. Please make sure that if the dampness is more, go for a waterproofing solution first and then apply the putty. Otherwise, problems may occur. Only 50 paisa more material cost than Wallmax. Now, if you apply the normal wall putty called the Wallmax, and if you compare the cost criteria with the Shieldmax, Shieldmax being a waterproof putty is costlier, but overall, if you apply a cost analysis, it is only about 50 paisa per square feet costlier in the overall say application. We very quickly will move to the Wallmax and Shieldmax. These are the two premium products variants available as of now. The JK Wallmax is the #1 wall putty in the world, and the JK Shieldmax is a universal waterproof putty that we have made available. The JK wall putty application gives a very smooth and excellent finish to the wall surface and enhances the life of the paint surface to manifold. Next product that we introduced to you is the JK Primax. It is a white cement based primer. A primer is a substance which acts as a base coat. The function is to provide strong adhesion and flexibility. Now, primer is a middle coat between the base coat and the top coat. Like plaster, जब हो जाता है आपकी wall plaster हो गई, तो paint करने के पहले we normally apply the say putty, and after putty we normally apply the primer. It is a mid coat between the paint and the base coat. It provides a strong adhesion and the flexibility. It hides the substrate base. It provides a strong mechanical and chemical bond. It protects the substrate by filling the pores, if any. It makes the surface less absorbent. The use of primer before painting is basically to reduce the suction of paint on the plaster, and hence it enhances the say coverage of the paint overall. Now, if proper primer is not applied, chalking may occur. Poor adhesion will in India there are two types of primers popularly available. First is the white cement based or cement based primers that are available, and second is the polymer based or acrylic emulsion based primers that are available in India. So we'll just have a comparison between the two. Serial number, properties, JK Primex, and fourth column is the polymer base or the acrylic emulsion based primer. First, the form, the JK Primex is in powder form, while the polymer base acrylic emulsion primer is liquid paste. The binder in the Primex, JK Primex is the white cement. White cement is used for the as a binder material, while in polymer base we use the acrylic emulsion. Third is the mechanism of bond. It is the hydration mechanism, same as that of the cement. Now in polymer base, the mechanism of bonding is the Coliseum mechanism that we popularly call as the chemical adhering. The bonding is in the Primex or JK Primex is the mechanical as well as the chemical bonding, because the mechanical bonding is due to the white cement and chemical bonding is due to the polymers that we add during the manufacturing. While in polymer base, the bonding is only due to the chemical adhering. Now the bond strength is very strong because the compressive strength or the bond strength of white cement is very strong, and hence the bond strength of JK Primex is also equally strong. Now polymer base does not have a very good bond strength, it is a weak one. Now tensile strength again is very strong in case of JK Cement Primex, while in polymer base the tensile strength is very weak. Now the application can be done on wet surface for JK Primex also, while if you apply the acrylic emulsion polymer base primer on a wet surface, वो उसकी पपड़ी निकल जाएगी, it will not adhere at all. The dry surface only can be applied. So this is a big difference between the say white cement or cement based primer and the polymer based primer. Even you can apply these on the fresh walls. आज आपने प्लास्टर किया, वॉल आपकी थोड़ी सी गीली है, उसको आप एक दिन क्योर कीजिए, अगले दिन आप उस पे जेके सीमेंट का प्राइमेक्स लगा दीजिए, उस पे पेंट कर दीजिए, डन. बट अगर वो पॉलीमर बेस है, आपका प्लास्टर ताजा है, उस पे आप क्यूरिंग कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू वेट अंटिल इट इज ड्राइड. उसको अच्छे से क्यूरिंग आपको करना पड़ेगा 10-15 दिन. उसके बाद में यू कैन गो फॉर द प्राइमर and after that you can go for the paint. So there is a big difference in the application. Immediately after day 1 or 2 of the plastering, you can apply the white cement based plaster Primex, but in case of acrylic emulsion you have to wait for a few days. Technical specification, again this product does not have any IS code guideline as of now, but JK has its own internal standards. The degree of whiteness, it should be above 93% that we maintain at JK. Normally the range is about 95.8%, the current results. The fineness, which is the residue on 63 micron seal, same as the white cement, it should be minimum 4%. We maintain it 5 in the range of 5.5. The pot life, now pot life is the time during which after application or addition of water to it, it will not solidify. It allows the painter to apply. So the pot life we maintain is above 180 minutes, that is about 3 hours. 3 घंटे तक अगर आप इसको पानी मिलाते हो तो 3 घंटे तक आप आसानी से पूरे घर में लगा सकते हो, because you have to apply it on the wall, on the ceiling, everywhere. So 3 hours are sufficient enough. We maintain about more than 3 hours pot life. And coverage after first coat, we generally get a coverage of about 80 to 100 square feet per kg in the JK Primex. The normal range is between 80 to 100 square feet. Depending upon the surface. The features of JK Primex, it's a white cement based primer modified with high performance polymers. It has super whiteness above 90%. It is quick drying, within say 1.5-2 hours it dries and you can apply the second coat immediately. It has a breathable surface. Being a white cement based product, it's a breathable surface. It does not form a total film, but it's a breathable surface just like any plaster. It's a self-curing, it has polymers which allow it to be a self-curing product. But before application of the Primex, you should always pre-wet the surface. सीमेंट से बना हुआ कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आप लगाते हो, उसको लगाने के पहले अगर आप प्री वेटिंग कर दोगे, पहले गीला कर लोगे सरफेस को, तो it will give a good bonding. Fill and seal the pores. Being a white cement based product and polymer added to it, जब भी ये प्राइमेक्स लगाया जाता है, जहां पर भी खासकर बाहरी दीवारों पर जब क्रैक्स होते हैं, इट फिल्स दिस क्रैक्स एंड सील्स देम. It is damp resistant and has more flexibility. What are the important points on the right hand side? The water demand is 1:1 or 1:1.15. 1 kg of JK Primex and 1 kg of water. Equal आपको लेना है. Resume the primer activity after drying of the plaster. It improves the paint adhesion. It reduces the construction cost by reducing the time. आज आपने प्लास्टर किया, आप एक आध दिन 2 दिन आप उसको क्यूरिंग करना है कीजिए, नहीं करना है तो अगले दिन आप उसको प्री वेटिंग करिए और जेके प्राइमेक्स लगा दीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. इट इज वेरी इकोनॉमिकल व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू द say acrylic primers. No wastage at all, and coverage is about 80 to 100 square feet per kg in the single coat. Method of application, as you can see in the right hand side, you have the mechanical mixer is applied so that it gives a very uniform paste is made out of it. Now JK Primex is mixed with water, normally in the ratio of 1 part powder and 1 part of the water. Add 50% of water and knead it for some time to make it lump free. Add the balanced quantity of water to make a free flowing mix. Keep the mix for about 10 minutes to mature for dispersion of the polymers. Since it has high quality polymers in it, we should allow 5 to 10 minutes after the mixing for the polymers to disperse off, and after that you can start the application of the primer on the walls. On the right hand side you can see the few pictures that we have already done few very good structures around India. St. Anne's School, Pondicherry. So JK Primex is a polymer modified white cement based primer developed with high density polymer and other volume enhancers. It is a perfect blend of adhesion, strength and durability due to the high performance improvers. It is best suited for exterior cementitious surface. It has not to be applied on the paint, but it is suited for the exterior as well as interior cementitious surface. Now the features: it fills the pores, reduces the porosity, it hides the shrinkage cracks and the joints, it makes the surface less absorbent, it improves the adhesion, dual function of flexibility and tensile strength, it reduces the construction cost by saving in time, and it is economical. Now individual house at Pratapgarh, you can see. Now advantages: can be applied on wet surface, no curing is required. After application, it is easy to mix and apply. It is a value for money product. It has a super whiteness. It has excellent adhesion. No wastage at all. Quick drying, good water resistance, and enhances the coverage. This is one of the projects that we have done it in Jodhpur itself. Sanjeevani Ananda project that we have done in Jodhpur earlier on. Next product after this Primex is the Level Max. Now, though it is not used in all part of India, but in places where there is some shortage of sand, JK Level Max is very popular product, especially in areas like Rajkot, Surat in Gujarat. It is very popular by the name of JK Level Max and Level Max Plus. Now, where undulation, for example, in the wall there is a big undulation and you have to cover it, we suggest to go for the JK Level Max. Where the undulation is more than 2.5 mm, we have to apply the JK Level Max, or where we have to replace the plaster application. कहीं कहीं पर बिल्डर पूरा प्लास्टर ही नहीं लगाएंगे, ब्रिक वर्क के बाद में सीधा डायरेक्टली they go for the JK Level Max. It is such a wonderful product because the thickness that we can go in the Level Max is up to 15 mm to 20 mm comfortably. Now the features of JK Level Max: it is a thin layer plaster for smooth surface. It has self-curing compound. After application, you do not need to cure it again. So it has a self-curing property. It resists the dampness. No shrinkage cracks are visible, and it has stronger intercoat adhesion because it has to be applied in about up to 15 mm. When you are going, you have to apply in at least 2 to 3 layers. So the intercoat adhesion is very strong because of the polymers. Now the important points: the water demand is between 25 to 28%. 1 kg JK level max, and around 250 to 280 grams of water is to be added. A single coat thickness is between 4 to 6 mm plaster. Saves the cost of water and labor for curing. No chalking or peeling of the paint. Achievable coverage of approximately 4 to 5 square feet per kg for a thickness of 3 mm. Now, this is a very popular product in areas where the sand is not easily available. But in Rajasthan, since the sand is easily available, JK Level Max is not so popular. But in areas of Gujarat like Rajkot, Surat, where there is a very big scarcity of sand, it is a very popular product. So very quickly, we'll move on to the next value-added product, that is the JK Cement Gypsomax. It is a premium gypsum plaster. Popularly, people call it as POP also, plaster of Paris. The particular JK Cement Gypsomax, it is a white powder. The coverage for thickness of 12 to 13 mm is between 18 to 20 square feet per 25 kg of each bag. The pot life is about 15 minutes. The whiteness is normal as any other gypsum plaster. The heat resistance is high. JK Gypsomax, it has a dry bulk density of 720 kg per meter cube. Initial setting time of about 20 minutes. The consistency is 2:1 powder water ratio. Like for every 2 kg of say Gypsomax, you have to add 1 kg of the water to it, 50%. Residue on 90 micron sieve is 3% and above. An expansion on setting at 24 hours, it does not expand. There is a specification range in the end as per the IS code specifications. Next, we move on to the other popular product that we commonly known as the JK Tile Max. There is a range of premium adhesives and the grouts. Now on the left hand side, you can see the 3 bags. These are the tile adhesive. तो tile को चिपकाने के लिए अगर हम लोग फ्लोर पर लगा रहे हैं, तो earlier we used to go for the basic cement. Cement का एक layer हम लोग बिछाते थे, normal lean cement mix, और उसके टाइल के पीछे सीमेंट लगाकर उसको लगा दिया जाता था. मिस्त्री उसको लेवल कर दिया करते थे. Now इन सब झंझट में प्रॉब्लम क्या होता था, आपको क्यूरिंग भी करनी पड़ेगी, फिर कहीं कहीं पर सीमेंट ठीक से नहीं लगा है तो सरफेस अनइवन हो जाता है, एंड इट हैज टू बी द लेबर कॉस्ट जो इसके साथ लगती थी वो बहुत ज्यादा लगती थी, और मटेरियल की जो थिकनेस आती थी वो बहुत ज्यादा आपको लगानी पड़ती थी. 2-2, 3-3 इंच तक लेवल सरफेस करने के लिए आपको लगाना पड़ता था. बट विथ द न्यू एडवांसमेंट इन द कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ड्राई मिक्स मोटर टेक्नोलॉजी, वी हैव द टाइल एडहेसिव. आपको सिर्फ 3 to 4 mm का इसमें एक लेयर लगाना है टाइल के पीछे, और टाइल आपको फ्लोर पे चिपका देनी है. That's it. You don't need to cure it. You don't need to do anything else. So these are the 3 variants that are available: 111, 222, and 444. Now 111 is the अगर आपकी छोटी वॉल टाइल्स है, स्मॉल साइज टाइल्स, you can apply on it for it. 222 अगर आपकी बड़ी टाइल है, जो विट्रीफाइड टाइल जो आजकल मोस्ट पॉपुलरली हम लोग यूज करते हैं, for that we should go for the 222 variant. और अगर आपके बहुत हेवी पत्थर आप यूज कर रहे हो, like granite, marble and other stones, and which have a very high thickness of 15 mm, 18 mm, we recommend to go for the 444 variant of the tile adhesive. On the right hand side, you can see the tile grouts. Now, tile grout basically आते हैं काम में जब टाइल के बीच में गैप हम लोग छोड़ते हैं to give a good appearance. आपने देखा होगा छोटे छोटे स्पेसर छोड़े जाते हैं टाइल के बीच में, और ये स्पेसर को भरने का काम करते हैं टाइल ग्राउट्स. तो 2 variants are available: the cementitious tile grout and the epoxy grout. We'll see it later on. Now the tile adhesive and grout range. Now type 2 white adhesive, the 444 सबसे superior हमारा प्रोडक्ट है. इसमें premium universal white adhesive है. You can apply this for fixing the granite, marble and any type of say tiles that you want to. Second variant below it is the 222 premium multi-purpose adhesive. You can go for the say vitrified tiles or any other popular tiles. And the third category is the 111 wall and floor tile adhesive, which can be used for normally the ceramic tile जो पहले आती थी या छोटे साइज की जो टाइल आती थी, उसके लिए we recommend to go for the 111 type variant. Now cementitious grouts are the premium cementitious grout which are used for filling the gaps, and also the epoxy grouts are the premium epoxy grout. ये epoxy grout are very costly material, so it has normally used in very say industrial units or some other unit that have special applications, or cementitious grout are normally used in the normal application in our houses. Now JK Tilemax. Now tile adhesive आने के पहले we used to apply the tiles with the help of the cement. Now this was called as the traditional application of say tiles. Now, what is the difference between the traditional application and the Tilemax application? We'll see. Now first, the traditional application is not economical because the thickness of application is between 25 to 50 mm. The Tilemax application is economical. You can go with a minimum as low as 3 mm thickness. Apply the 3 mm thickness on the tile, and you can fix the tile on any surface you want. Inconsistent quality and less durable. The traditional application is inconsistent and less durable because कहीं पर सीमेंट को क्यूरिंग नहीं हुई, कहीं पर सीमेंट ठीक से लेवल में नहीं लगा, तो आपका प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. तो इनकंसिस्टेंसी बहुत आने की चांसेस है, और ड्यूरेबिलिटी तो इसकी कम रहती थी. आपने कई जगह होटल्स में, बड़े बड़े मॉल्स में आपने देखा होगा, जगह जगह पर टाइल्स निकली हुई आपको दिखती है, थोड़ा सा ठप ठप आवाज आती है बिकॉज इम्प्रॉपर एप्लीकेशन हुआ उसके वजह से. और Tilemax application, it has to be applied throughout on the tile back side of the tile surface, and hence and because it is a factory manufactured product, it has a very good consistent quality and a more durable product overall. Third, it requires a very high time consuming process at traditional application, while the Tilemax application is time saving and no need of curing after application. Fourth is for traditional application you require more labor, while Tilemax application requires less labor. Fifth is the no variant. अगर आपका नॉर्मल टाइल है, जो नॉर्मल विटिफाइड या आपकी सिरेमिक टाइल आती थी, उसके लिए भी सेम सीमेंट ही आपको लगाना है. मार्बल अगर आप कहीं लगा रहे हो तो उसके लिए भी सीमेंट ही आपके पास है. ग्रेनाइट भी लगा रहे हो तो सीमेंट ही आपके पास है. कितना भी बड़ा टाइल हो, कितना भी छोटा टाइल हो, सिर्फ सीमेंट ही था, कोई वेरिएंट अवेलेबल नहीं था. Whereas as per the requirement, अगर आपका ग्रेनाइट है तो 444 लगाइए, अगर आपकी विट्रीफाइड टाइल है तो 222 लगाइए, और अगर आपकी नॉर्मल छोटी टाइल है 1 फीट बाय 1 फीट, 1.5 फीट बाय 1.5 फीट की, या 2 फीट बाय 2 फीट सिरेमिक की, you can go for the normal 111 variant. So various variants are applicable as per the availability. These are available as per the product to be applied. Sixth is the tiles must be soaked for the 24 hours in traditional application, while in Tilemax application no soaking is required. Seventh, the traditional application is unsuitable for low absorption tiles like the vitrified tiles. Tilemax application is suitable for all the tiles and even the marble, granite or stones. Eighth is the tile on tile application is not possible with the traditional application. पुरानी टाइल है आपकी और उस पे आपको नई विट्रीफाइड टाइल लगवाना है, तो ट्रेडिशनल एप्लीकेशन सीमेंट लगा के आप नहीं कर सकते हो. पूरा आपको सरफेस निकालना पड़ेगा, लेबर कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ेगी, एंड देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द न्यू लेयर. बट इन केस ऑफ Tilemax एप्लीकेशन, टाइल ऑन टाइल एप्लीकेशन इज पॉसिबल. आपकी पुरानी टाइल है, बस आपको उसमें ध्यान रखना है कि थोड़ा सरफेस ठीक हो, लेवल हो, Tilemax लगाइए एंड चिपका दीजिए आपकी टाइल को. इट इज डन. वेरी फास्ट एप्लीकेशन इज पॉसिबल विद द Tilemax. Next we'll go with the Tilemax or the tile grouts. Now for the tile adhesives, first we'll see the terminologies. Open time. Now open time is the time in which मिस्त्री ने टाइल लगा दिया और उसको लगाने के बाद में लग रहा है कि यार टाइल थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हो गई है. He immediately can remove it and place it again properly. So this is the open time for the tile adhesive is about 20 to 25 minutes. 20 plus or minus 5 minutes. The range is between 15 to 25 minutes. Now adjustability. आपके मिस्त्री ने टाइल लगा दी और उसको लग रहा है कि टाइल थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हो गई है, तो immediately he can adjust it. The adjustability time is same 20 plus or minus 5 minutes. 20-25 मिनट उसको मिलते हैं ताकि वो एडजस्ट बराबर अपनी टाइल कर सके. टेंसाइल एडेशन, इट गिव्स अ वेरी गुड टेंसाइल एडेशन. आपने अभी टाइल लगाई और पूरी ताकत लगा लीजिए, आप उसको निकाल नहीं पाएंगे. सो गुड इज द टेंसाइल एडेशन ऑफ द टाइल एडेसिव्स. शेयर एडेशन, द वर्टिकल, जस्ट लाइक आप लिफ्ट, जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए एक लिफ्ट ऊपर जा रही है नीचे से, तो दिस इज द शेयर. एक्चुअली you might have seen in the in various subjects in your engineering, the shear strength that we calculate. shear adhesion in terms in the tile adhesive is very high, and this gives a very good durability to the applied surface. Now the pot life means पानी डालने के बाद में जब मिस्त्री काम कर रहा है तो उसके पॉट में वो कितने देर तक सेट नहीं होगा, उसका सॉलिडिफिकेशन नहीं होगा. The range is 90 to 120 minutes. 1 से 1.5 घंटा approximately, 1.5 से 2 घंटा approximately you can use it without solidification. Foot traffic. Tile adhesive लगाने के बाद में लगभग 24 hours के बाद में you can allow the traffic to move on it. The bed thickness is generally 3 mm and you can go up to 6 to 7 mm also depending upon अगर आपके मोटे thick जो ग्रेनाइट है, मार्बल है, इनकी थिकनेस ज्यादा होती है, तो in that case we recommend to go for about 6 to 7 mm thickness. नॉर्मल जो हमारी टाइल्स होती है, विट्रीफाइड ग्रेनाइट, छोटी टाइल्स जो हमारी 2x2 4x4 की होती है, we recommend to go for 3 to 4 mm thickness only. Now coverage is about 50 to 55 square feet per bag per 3 mm thickness, 6 by 6 mm square notch trowel. Now इसका जो notch trowel आता है, just like you can just imagine जैसे हमारी जो comb होती है ना, comb, बिल्कुल उसी तरह इसका notch trowel आता है, which after application gives a thickness of about 3 mm on the tile. So अगर एक बैग 20 kg का एक बैग आता है टाइल एडेसिव का, तो उसमें आपको करीब 50 से 55 स्क्वायर फीट का कवरेज मिल जाता है फॉर 3 mm थिकनेस. मतलब 3 वेरिएंट्स के बारे में एक हम लोग डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, द 111, 222 एंड 444. और जेके सीमेंट टाइल मैक्स वॉल एंड फ्लोर एडेसिव टाइल, ग्रे सीमेंट एडेसिव है 111 का वेरिएंट. It can be used for the ceramic tiles on walls up to 6 feet and on 4 floors interiors. Vitrified tiles को आप फ्लोर के अंदर लगा सकते हो, घर के अंदर. The interior wall and floor both exterior only floor. अगर घर के बाहर आप लगाएंगे तो ओनली फ्लोर पर आपको लगाना है. अगर घर के अंदर आप लगाएंगे तो आप फ्लोर पर भी लगा सकते हो, वॉल पर भी लगा सकते हो. Vitrified and ceramic tile up to 6 feet height. ये है 111. Now we go with the superior product, that is the 222. It is a gray cement adhesive. It has a large, it can be applied for the large format tiles or stones or the granite also. Tile on tile application is possible with 222. Interior and exterior both wall, कितनी भी height तक आप जाइए, you can go for the 222 product. और उससे भी superior product है 444. JK Cement Tile Max Premium Universal White Adhesive. 222 और 444 में ये फर्क है कि ये 444 व्हाइट सीमेंट बेस्ड है, 222 ग्रे सीमेंट बेस्ड है. खासकर जब मार्बल का लगाने का टाइम आता है तो वी रेकमेंड कि आपको 444 लगाना चाहिए, बिकॉज बीइंग अ व्हाइट सीमेंट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट इट विल गिव अ गुड फिनिश टू द अप्लाइड मार्बल फ्लोर्स. A white cement adhesive, marble slab, granite, large format vitrified tile, glass, mosaic and small natural stones can be applied. Tile application is possible with the 444 variant. So these are the 3 variants that are applicable, that are available with you. Depending on the quality of tile that you are applying, you can use the variant. Now tile grouts, this is a small topic that we'll cover. It is divided into 2 categories that we are manufacturing. First is the cementitious grout, CG. It is a mixture of Portland cement, aggregate and organic additive to be mixed with water just before use. The material is to water ratio is 3:1. यानी आपने 1 किलो अगर ग्राउट लिया तो उसमें करीब आपको 1/3 पानी डालना है, 33% के आसपास उसमें पानी डालना है. And the joints have to be filled afterward. Now second variant here is the epoxy grout. It is normally used for the industrial use only, and also some say if you have a very lavish say apartment where you want to go where cost is no constraint because ये बहुत costly material है, you can go for the epoxy grout. It comes in the 3 packs, that is the resin, hardener and filler. ये 3 अलग-अलग प्रोडक्ट आते हैं, 3 अलग-अलग पाउचेस में आते हैं. रेजिन 900 ग्राम आता है, हार्डर 350 ग्राम आता है एंड फिलर इज अबाउट 3750 ग्राम. फिलर इज बेसिकली ए कलर कंपाउंड. आपकी अगर ग्रे कलर की टाइल है तो आपको ग्रे कलर का फिलर लेना होता है. अगर आप क्रीम कलर की टाइल है तो आपने क्रीम कलर का आपको फिलर लेना होता है. एंड these are to be added and applied to the surface. Grout shade card, as you can see, depending upon the color of your tiles. As you can see in the picture, right hand side you can see the cementitious grout and the left hand side you can see the epoxy grout. So these provide a very good finish and durability to the spacers that are left during the or after the tile application. Very quickly, we have launched 2 products this year only. We'll just discuss in very brief. First is the JK Cement Repair Max. It is a masonry compound for general repair. It is a white cement based product that we have launched in this year only, in the year 2021. We'll see the qualities or the properties. What is JK Cement Repair Max? JK Cement Repair Max is a ready to use white cement based masonry compound which can fill cracks and gaps of interior and exterior surface. As you can see in the picture, आपके घर में छोटे-छोटे cracks आ जाते हैं, plaster में cracks आ जाते हैं. So in that case, we have developed a new product for the repairing called the JK Cement Repair Max. It is formulated with advanced bonding agent that ensure incomparable crack bridging ability up to 5 mm. अगर आपका crack 5 mm तक है और इसमें cracks लंबे-लंबे हैं जैसा कि पिक्चर में दिख रहा है, you can definitely go for the JK Cement White Max because it has the advanced bonding agent. Now the benefits, it has a sparkling whiteness above 90%. Crack and gap filling up to 5 mm is possible. Paintable product, अगर आपके घर पर आपने कहीं पर क्रैक्स भर दिया है रिपेयर मैक्स से, आप इसी में थोड़ा और पानी मिला दीजिए, ब्रश से लगा दीजिए और उसमें थोड़ा पिगमेंट डाल देंगे तो आपको वही शेड का आपको वहां पर पेंट मिल जाएगा with the help of JK Repair Max. It is a paintable product. Superior adhesion because of the addition of polymers in it. It is easy to apply and it has a very high strength because of being a white cement based product. The application areas, you can apply it on the crack and joint filling. You can apply in the bathroom application wherever the cracks and joints are possible, available. You can use it for repair work in the kitchen. You can also use it for floor, wall and the joint filling. The cleaning of surface is very much important before the application, and how to apply we'll see step by step. Mixing the repair max with water in the ratio 1 kg is to 30 to 35% water by weight. 1 kilo repair max में करीब 300 ग्राम से 350 ग्राम पानी आपको डालना है. Step 2, first coat repair max is to be applied using the putty knife or the trowel as you can see in the picture. Step 3, the second coat of the repair max can be applied using the same process of putty knife or trowel. Step 4 is the leveling of the surface, and step 5 you can apply the primer and then the top coat of the paint. So this is how the repair max works. And last product that we have launched only this year is the JK Cement Wood Amore Italian wood finish. Is basically a range of say wood polishes that are a very premium product that we have launched only this year in April 20 in this year only that we have launched, and this is available in North India only. In Rajasthan we are yet to launch. It is crafted with love from JK. A very big thank you to all of you for being a patient audience. My presentation on white cement based value added products is over now. Anybody having any questions in their mind, we can just start the question answer session. Thank you.
Any questions asked to Pawan sir? If there is any questions regarding the webinar.
सर बिल्डिंग में ये क्रैकिंग कैसे होती है?
Dipesh, repeat the question.
सर ये बिल्डिंग में क्रैकिंग कैसे होती है? मतलब क्रैकिंग हेलो सर.
Pawan sir.
हाँ जी, I am coming on it. Yeah. Thanks for the question. Yeah.
सर ये बिल्डिंग में क्रैकिंग कैसे होती है और उसको ठीक कैसे
हाँ जी,
करते हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Now I'll just give you an example. एक हमारे senior engineer थे, Mr. CM Dordi साहब. He was from Bombay, and during a lecture, one very renowned engineer asked him the same question that you asked now कि sir building में crack क्यों होते हैं और can we have any structure, can we make any structure which is crackless? उन्होंने बोला साहब पूरे वर्ल्ड में आप कहीं भी जाइए, any structure made with cement और concrete, और आप मेरे को बिना क्रैक का एक बिल्डिंग बता दीजिए, मैं मेरा जॉब से रिजाइन कर दूंगा. सो क्रैक हैज टू बी देयर. जहां भी कंस्ट्रक्शन आएगा वहां क्रैक आना ही आना है. Now crack may be due to various reasons. The most probable reason of cracking is the improper curing of the cementitious surface. अगर आपने कंक्रीटिंग कर दिया और उसका हाइड्रेशन प्रोसेस चालू हो गया, सीमेंट की स्ट्रेंथ आती है हाइड्रेशन से, उसका जो स्ट्रेंथ डेवलपमेंट होता है इट्स अ एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, वो हीट लिबरेशन चालू कर देता है, और उस टाइम पे उसको अगर हम क्यूरिंग नहीं करते तो इमीडिएटली क्रैक फॉर्मेशन चालू हो जाते हैं, जिसको हम लोग स्टार्टिंग में प्लास्टिक श्रिंकेज क्रैक्स बोलते हैं, जो धीरे धीरे बढ़ते रहते हैं. सेकंड कुड बी द प्रोबेबल रीजन फॉर क्रैक फॉर्मेशन इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिल्ट. अगर आपके सैंड में जो आपने कंक्रीट बनाया है या आपने जो प्लास्टर लगाया है उसमें सैंड का कंटेंट अबव आईएस कोड लिमिट है. आईएस कोड बोलता है कि देयर शुड बी मैक्सिमम 8% सिल्ट कंटेंट बाय वॉल्यूम. अगर आपने 100 ग्राम सैंड लिया है और उसमें 8 ग्राम से ज्यादा सिल्ट कंटेंट है, मट्टी का प्रमाण है, तो आपके प्लास्टर में क्रैक्स आएगा ही आएगा. सो दिस इज द वेरी सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन आफ्टर क्यूरिंग, कि अगर आपके सैंड में सिल्ट कंटेंट ज्यादा है तो क्रैक्स आएगा. थर्ड, नाउअडेज दैट वी आर सीइंग कि बहुत छोटी छोटी सीमेंट कंपनियां इंडिया में आ गई है, जो कि इतना अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस उनका नहीं होता, इतना कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी वो बना नहीं पाती, जिसमें ड्यूरिंग द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देयर इज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अनसाउंडनेस. जो एक साउंडनेस का हमने टेस्ट देखा ना, लीच आर्टिलियर एंड ऑटोक्लेव, ये इसलिए होता है टू सो दैट एक्सपांशन बाय साउंडनेस इज नॉट देयर. आपने देखा होगा कि सीमेंट के जो हाईवेज बनते हैं उसमें हर 15-20 फुट के बाद में एक्सपांशन के जॉइंट छोड़े जाते हैं. देखा है कि नहीं देखा है?
जी सर.
जॉइंट्स इसलिए छोड़े जाते हैं, वो जॉइंट्स इसलिए छोड़े जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा हर सीमेंट में थोड़ा सा एक्सपांशन होता है विद इन द परमिसिबल लिमिट. लेकिन अगर वो जरूरत से ज्यादा आपका सीमेंट अनसाउंड हुआ तो उसमें क्रैक्स के प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं. एंड दिस इज द रीजन, दिस इज द थर्ड वेरी कॉमन रीजन व्हाई क्रैक्स डेवलप इन द कंक्रीट और द सीमेंट. आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन. If anybody needs my presentation, I'll just come to my last slide. Yeah, if anybody needs my presentation, you can just drop a mail on pavan.seth@jkcement.com. I'll be more than happy to share with you. Also, if you want it on WhatsApp or on your mobile, just text me with your name and your college name. I'll be more than happy to share this presentation with you so that you can study it later on also. Any more questions, please?
Any questions? So we move on to the valedictory speech of Chetan sir. Chetan sir, please give the valedictory speech. Chetan sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, sir, and the coordinators of civil department for organizing this very much required, much needed webinar. Because now students are second and third students, they have just learned or are learning the concrete technology, cement and these, and this was much needed for them to understand. Sir, one question is there, but that is for Pawan sir. It's a question
Yeah,
for
please.
you. Yeah,
Please.
so we can just read in this. So one student asking about the package, starting package of this. So you might be interested in this, and so if you could just answer.
Okay, starting package depends on the qualification. For a civil engineer, normally he should minimum he should be getting at least about 3.5 lakh package per annum, the starting package, and gradually this is the package for a GET, graduate engineer training, that would take earlier on without experience. If you have experience of 3-4 years after working in some industries, then the package gradually increases. The starting package we can say minimum 3.5 is the in any cement company that you go in the technical services department.
And sir, what about the students who are MTech? Is there any preference for them or any higher package, or it is a similar?
Depends on the work profile. Now MTech, these are basically a design, very subjective actually knowledge they have for the design or the project work. So we do employ these engineers for the MTech for the designing purpose also. the package is very very high in terms of depending upon the experience I'm saying. Now एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. पैकेज के पहले आता है आपका रेलेवेंट एक्सपीरियंस. आपने बीटेक तो कर लिया फॉर एग्जांपल, बट बीटेक के साथ में आई वुड रेकमेंड ऑल ऑफ यू, और जहां जहां भी पॉसिबल है जिन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जस्ट और आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट इवन द कॉलेज टू ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर देम. अगर आपके जोधपुर में या जयपुर में या जहां भी आपको लगता है कि एक बहुत अच्छा एनेबल एक्रेडिटेड कोई लैब है या बहुत अच्छा रेप्यूटेड का लैब है जहां पर सीमेंट की टेस्टिंग होती हो, जहां पर कंक्रीट मिक्स डिजाइन किया जाता हो, जहां कंक्रीट की टेस्टिंग आपको सिखाई जाती हो, जहां पर जो आपके जो वेरियस रॉ मटेरियल है, एग्रीगेट्स, कोर्स एग्रीगेट, फाइन एग्रीगेट्स, फ्लाई ऐश, जीजीबीएस जो आजकल यूज हो रहे हैं, वेरियस एडमिशन जो इनका जो टेस्टिंग होता होगा, बीटेक करने के साथ साथ या बीटेक करने के इमीडिएटली बाद अगर आप 3 महीने या 6 महीने का यहाँ पर इंटर्नशिप कर लोगे किसी भी लेबोरेटरी में, आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस होगा वो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे पहुंच जाएगा. बिकॉज बड़े बड़े इंजीनियर्स आज समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि ड्यूरेबिलिटी क्या चीज है. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ कंक्रीट, हाउ डू यू चेक द ड्यूरेबिलिटी. वेरियस टेस्ट ऑन ड्यूरेबिलिटी आती है, जैसे आपने सुना होगा आरसीपीटी टेस्ट आता है, वाटर एब्जॉर्प्शन टेस्ट आता है, वेरियस अदर टेस्ट आते हैं. तो ये टेस्ट किए कैसे जाते हैं, क्यों किए जाते हैं, इनका प्रोसेस क्या होता है, एंड व्हाट आर द अपर एंड लोअर लिमिट. आई वुड रेकमेंड टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन लगा मेरे को. तो फ्रॉम आई थिंक शिवम गहलोत से आया है ये. शिवम, आई वुड रेकमेंड कि पैकेज पे मत जाओ, अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन, अपनी एक्सपर्टीज थोड़ी सी बताओ, बढ़ा लो. आप किसी भी लैब में, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट लैब हो, गवर्नमेंट लैब में शायद आपको इतना सीखना ना मिले, लेकिन अगर प्राइवेट एनेबल एक्रेडिटेड लैब हो या कोई एनसीसीबीएम की बड़ी लैब हो, मेरा ख्याल है अहमदाबाद में होना चाहिए, दिल्ली में होना चाहिए, फरीदाबाद एंड ऑल. अगर किसी बड़ी लैब में आप 3 महीने या 6 महीने एज ए इंटर्न, आपको पगार नहीं मिले तो भी चलेगा, जस्ट लर्निंग के लिए आप जाइए. वो 6 महीने का कोर्स या 3 महीने का कोर्स करने के बाद आपका जो एक्सपर्टीज होगा वो अलग लेवल पे पहुंच जाएगा, एंड उसके बाद में आप जो इंटरव्यू दोगे ना, पैकेज विल नॉट बी अ क्राइटेरिया फॉर यू एट ऑल. दैट विल बी माय इनपुट.
That's a wonderful answer, sir. Our students, the things you are asking, labs कहाँ है और कहाँ है ना, you can ask these things from our faculties and the placement coordinators. These things you can just do the trainings in these labs. So that will be better for you. And as the sir said that first of all you should just पहले अपना caliber and you have to improve your qualities. Improve the qualities, then you can just be at the top position in any organization. तो पहले सबसे पहले पैसे को छोड़ के अगर क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करोगे, पैसा अपने पास अपने आप आएगा भाग, है ना. तो पहले क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करनी है, पहले आप काबिलियत दिखाओ तो आपको कोई भी मना नहीं करेगा किसी भी पोजीशन रखने से, है ना. इफ यू आर हैविंग इवन द एनी डिग्री, चाहे आपका डिग्री आईआईटी से है, चाहे आईआईएम से है, चाहे किससे भी है, इफ यू डोंट हैव द नॉलेज, नो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल रिक्रूट. सिंपल सी बात है, उन्होंने आपसे, दे नो दे वांट योर नॉलेज, नॉट योर डिग्री, है ना. आपको अगर इंफॉर्मेशन है, नॉलेज है फील्ड की, देन दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू हायर यू. दे आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर द गाइज हु आर वेरी टेक्निकली साउंड. तो पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू एडवांस योर नॉलेज, स्किल्स एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी इन दिस थिंग्स, देन थिंक अबाउट द पैकेज. एम आई राइट सर, पवन सर?
Very true, very true. And in the same flow, I would like to say कि if all the students and even the staff are interested, we have a various module for just like ये, क्योंकि because I'm representing the white cement, but मेरा जो experience है 21 साल का experience, उसमें 20 साल I have dedicated to the grey cement and the concrete industry. So if the student want, we can have a very good webinar series after this also, few days after this also, based on the grey cement first and second on the special concrete that we have around the world. तो ये इस तरह का वेबिनार हम लोग आगे भी चेतन सर कर सकते हैं एंड रजत सर, which will make our student ready for the industry. अगर ये मेरा सीमेंट का प्रेजेंटेशन करने के बाद आप किसी भी सीमेंट कंपनी में इंटरव्यू के लिए जाओगे ना, आपको कोई रिजेक्ट करने नहीं वाला. यू विल बी दैट रेडी आफ्टर दैट प्रेजेंटेशन. यू कैन डेफिनेटली, जब भी आपको टाइम रहे, जब भी आपके एग्जाम्स वगैरह से आप फ्री हो जाए दिस मंथ और नेक्स्ट मंथ, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ऑर्गेनाइज फ्यू मोर वेबिनार्स.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for just understanding and this. Thank you for giving the time. Because we know that you must be very busy, but if you are saying that you can be, or anyone from our organization can come again for the webinar, then it will be very good for us and our students. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And so I would like to just conclude the session. Thank you, Pawan sir, for these wonderful words and sharing knowledge, information. I know that students must have liked this webinar very much because they have understood it very well, because it is the subject through which they are going, and it will help you. It will help them to understand the subjects better, practical knowledge better, and about the career opportunities requirement of the employers. They will certainly know. And I hope that if they have any question, any query, if they want to be in connection with you, then they are free to mail you. Yes, sir. Can they mail you or contact you if they really wish to?
Yes, yes, definitely. My mail ID, I'm again showing it. That they can
Yeah.
mail me. I've received a
So just if you
mail also. Yeah. Yeah, please.
Yeah, so this is very much, so many times we have the webinars about the gray cement, but this is the first time that we are having the seminar about white cement, and this is very unique. And you must, sir, have just explained very well that what are the properties, qualities of the white cement, how is it different from the gray cement, and how can we use, where are the what are the its different applications. So it can be very very useful for you. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you, the coordinators and our HOD team ma'am for organizing this webinar. And I hope the students have liked it very much. They have been benefited very well. So we will again, sir, try to ask for your some time again to have a webinar on the similar topic in the future. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you, students, and thank you, coordinators, for arranging this webinar.
Thank you, everyone. Best of luck.
Thank you, Chetan sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
Pawan
sir.
sir. Thank you, Ankit sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You may now leave the meeting. Pawan sir.